Hi, scrappy friends. Welcome to the Clique Kits channel. Today, this is Hannah with you, and I'm going to be working in this traveler's notebook that is actually one of the past kits traveler's notebook inserts, and it has their exclusive paper that they made a few years ago, and I'm really excited that they brought it back. So today I'm kind of going to be talking a little bit about some extra products that you can get from Clique Kits. Right now we are doing a really awesome Memorial Day sale, so you definitely want to head over to the store and check out those deals, because after this weekend they're going to be gone, and whatever sells and is gone is gone. There's a whole bunch of kits on sale. I am going to be using the June kit today. I'm using the main kit mostly, but I'm going to be adding stuff into this that I have from my stash that I bought from the store. So any of those items I will try to make sure I link below in the info section so that you can find them if we still have them in the store. So I thought about maybe using two photos, but then I just decided, you know what, I'm just going to use this really big photo because it's awesome. It fills up the whole space, and I'm really digging that whole space, being able to have one big large photo. And this is the perfect way to showcase this photo because it's a tree, and so it goes up really high, and I thought it would work really well with the theme of the kit. It's very tropically and like just bright and colorful. It features Bella Boulevard, and I mean, it's their collections are always so much fun. I am going to be adding some washi tape, and this is a really simple spread. Because of this big photo, I don't really want to use a whole lot of stuff to just compete with that. But I do want to add a few things that's going to bring out some of the colors. There's lots of greens, and there's a lot of these bright pinks. So I am going to add um, some of those colors back in on the second page and in some of my layers, and you'll see how I'm going to do that in a second. I'm also going to be using some of the exclusive stuff because we have these amazing exclusive sheets each month and they're so much fun, so why not use them, right? I mean, right now we're getting them right in our kits, but you can also go in and find them and print them off yourself if you're a member. And this is just one of those cool things that you get from being a member of Clique Kits, is these awesome um, designed elements that you can add and make your layouts just better. So one of the things that you see me pull out and dump out is these alphas. They're chipboard alphas. They're a pretty big size, and there's only one of every single one, but they're all these different colored metallics. And thankfully M and W look exactly the same except for the size. And so I decided to spell out the word wow with the alphas that I had, and these we got in oh gosh, I don't know, I want to say in the fall time, maybe last year. So I'll see if we still have some of these. I thought it would be kind of fun to add these, one, because I had them and I thought it would really just help pop the colors. The one color on the middle, the O, is this like a green tinge of a metallic. So there's the copper, there's gold, and there's this green, like brassy almost, but it has like a green undertone to it. So I thought it would work really well. So I'm working on these layers because I want to kind of make some points, right? I want a couple of clusters just to be fun and layered, because I love layering, and it's kind of hard not to do a layout without layering in it. It's just what I have to do, right? So I'm pulling at some of the pieces. You've seen I use my stamp with in the store we have Dear Lizzy, the 6x6 pads. We also have some other 6x6 pads. So make sure you check out the new stuff, because we have a lot of the newer stuff that just came out for the summer. And you can add those to your kits, and it just really makes your kit go so much further. And it's just fun. So, and I picked that red paper. It's a red florally paper, and it's kind of bright and bold, especially with the other stuff that I'm using. But I really like that because on the tree there's these, it might be kind of hard to see right from where you are, but there's these really bright pink flowers off of these, like the green things. And I don't even remember what kind of tree this is, but these trees were like so awesome. So this picture is actually taken. We went up to the some falls that were in Hawaii and on Oahu. That's where we used to live. And it's one of the places we used to like to go up these falls. It's just a short little trail. It's like not quite a mile, and so it's a lot easier for the kids to go, and then you get to see. So there's tons of botanical elements like flowers and just trees and all these really cool nature um that are nature elements that are different from a lot of other places, right? So I mean, it's a rainforest, and this area of the island gets tons of rain. It's up near the North Shore. So, or like in the North Shore area. And so they get tons of rain. But anyway, so I thought that using those chipboard pieces from the Jen Hadfield collection would go with the butterflies that came in the kit. So I definitely added those. And the pink flower paper matches with the pink flowers on the thing. So now, and I also added some of these wood palm leaves that we had in the store. I'm not sure if we have any more, but I'll make sure that I try to link to them if we do. And so I just layered some stuff. I layered some of puffy stickers for My Mind's Eye that are newer. And then I'm just going to add a couple of these hot pink word strips that were in the kit because they also bring out that pink. And I absolutely love how this turned out. It's super simple. I really wanted to add more, but I didn't want to over embellish it because I just really wanted to keep it simple. So here are some close-ups. Definitely make sure you head to the store. You can always use my code Hannah10 and you can get 10% off of your add-ons in the store. It's not going to count for any like main kits or anything. And I don't know how to work with the sales and stuff, but you're more than welcome to try to use my code whenever you would like. And I will see you guys later. I hope you have a great scrappy weekend. Bye.